In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into my Gmail account. To begin, let's open Gmail. You can do this by launching your web browser of choice. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once the browser is open, you will need to navigate to the Gmail website. Take a moment to ensure you have an internet connection, then type in the web address, which is gmail.com, into the address bar at the top of your browser. Press the Enter key to load the page. You should see the Gmail sign-in page appear on your screen. This is where the login process starts. Next, you will need to enter your Gmail address or phone number. On the sign-in page, there is a field specifically labeled for this information. Click in the field to activate it, and then type your Gmail address. If you've linked your phone number to your account, you can also enter that instead. Make sure you enter the correct details to avoid any issues logging in. Once you have entered your email address or phone number, look for the Next button and click on it. Now it's time to enter your password. After clicking Next, you will be directed to a new page. Here you will see a field asking for your password. Click in the password field and type in your password carefully. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so be mindful of any uppercase or lowercase letters. This step is vital for keeping your account secure. After entering your password, find the Next button again and click it. Next, you will see a loading screen as Gmail verifies your credentials. This may take a few moments. It's important to wait patiently during this step. After verification, you will be directed to your Gmail account. If you are using a public computer, remember to log out after you finish your session to protect your privacy. Now, you will open your inbox. Upon successful login, the first thing you will see is your inbox. This is where all of your emails are displayed. You can view new emails, read them, and manage your inbox from this area. Familiarizing yourself with your inbox will help you navigate your messages effectively. With these steps, you have successfully logged into your Gmail account. You can now start sending and receiving emails. Remember that keeping your login information secure is important for your online safety. If you followed each step carefully, you should have no trouble accessing your Gmail. In conclusion, logging into Gmail is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can access your emails quickly and easily. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. You're now ready to manage your Gmail account with confidence.